Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Kingston model HJ-1100. That's a 17-inch swing, 43-inch centers lathe, decent quality Taiwanese import. This came out of a high school shop class. They had about 6 or 7 of them. We bought all of them. They were switching over to CNC machines. Morse taper number 4 tailstock with a drill chuck. We should have a live center around for that also. Allura CXA tool post. I'll have a few holders. It looks like a Rome 10-inch 3-jaw chuck. Chuck key. Here's your chuck cover. Paint on the machine's decent. Ways are excellent. You don't feel any grooves or wear on them. Screws are pretty tight. We have it kind of in by a bunch of other machines, so it's a little hard getting around it right now. All the paint's in the backsplash behind the chuck, so you know it doesn't have a whole lot of hours on it because that paint wears off fairly quickly when you're throwing chips at it. Here's your threading dial. I believe there is a coolant pump in the base. The schools just took the nozzle off and pipe, so you just have to repipe it back up to the bed area if you want to use flood coolant. Bear with me, I'm by myself today, so I do not have someone to hold the camera while I'm running around. See, right now we're in the high range, and it looks like, let's see, let's start here, 650 RPM. Jog. Okay. Syringe feed. Some carriage feed. Brake works fine. If you hold it all the way down, it'll stop. I just have a bad habit of tapping it just to shut it off, but it does work. Get it down, it stops the spindle. See, that was 650 RPM. We can go to 950 RPM now. Let's see, high 950, we're in H range. Yep, this would be 950 RPM. Chuck on it. So we go to the medium range. This would be medium all the way over, would be 230 RPM. It's 480 RPM. This is a gap bed lathe. A lot of guys do not recommend taking it out of the gap because it's never easy getting it back in. I'm just trying to put it in a threading gear. I'm not sure which threading ones are, so I'm just feeling for it. Put it in a slower speed, go to 160 RPM. Put this in neutral. Here you are, your half nuts. It does have kickouts here if you want to use the automatic feed. All your rings are over here to set your stops. Let's take the camera out of the holder here. But there you have it. The furnace kicks on at a bad time. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's Mullin machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.